People dance when girls dance when we eat. Hey, what's up? It's your girl Catherine Nunez, and you're watching Cooking with Love.
You gotta teach me that one. Hey.
All right, next on to I always dance when food is. You are watching Cooking with Love. Keep it locked.
All right, guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Cooking with Love. And you know, every week I'm always gonna have a guest right here. And this lady that I tell you, I'm gonna try my best to control myself, because when you talk about beautiful, sexy, attractive, talented, she's an actress, she's a model, she's a host, she's also a pilot, she's also a DJ, she's a hip hop star, she do backflips, all of these stuff. But guys, stay right there, don't go nowhere. Catherine Nunez is in the building. Yeah, don't get it twisted. As a matter of fact, look at this. She run right here, guys. If you realize, you know, every episode we normally break and we're gonna check out something from Miss Nunez. But look at she run right past it because she can't wait for cook.
I came right here. I need to learn how to cook.
You need to learn how to cook.
You're gonna teach me.
That's what I'm talking about. We were just talking a while ago as to you. I'm like, are you married? She's like, no, I'm not married yet. Very soon. She's like, maybe because I want to learn how to cook a little bit more.
Yeah, because my grandmother used to tell me, you want to find a husband? Get to his stomach. Like, if the way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Nice. So we're gonna, most definitely, we're gonna teach you. But what do you like to cook when you're home?
When I'm home, I'm very simple. So like grilled chicken, rice beans. I'm Latina, so that's like typical meal. Maybe a salad on the side. You know, steak. I like steak.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. You've been super busy, and it's such an honor having you right here on Cooking with Love. We're going to cook, have a great conversation, and all of that. But we're going to talk about so much that you've been doing. You've been so busy hosting, and from your model, from actress.
Yes.
You have an album coming out. I heard you're dropping an R&B track soon.
I wish. That's the only thing I'm missing is a good voice. But yeah, I've been filming a lot of different projects. So 2020 is, I hope, a big year for me. You know, they say 2020 vision, clear vision. Nice. So yeah, better than my last, Pocket Full of Game, are two of the projects that I'm working on right now. Nice. We're finishing up filming and then launching in 2020, so stay tuned.
That's what I'm talking about. Guys, this lady has been so busy, but we're going to find out if she can cook. Are you ready for the reveal as to what you're going to have to cook? And you're going to have to tell me how you're going to cook it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because normally every episode there's a reveal as to what we're gonna cook, and this is where I'm tuning into your cooking skill as to tell me what we're gonna do with this right now.
Ooh, okay.
All right, you ready? Give me a drum roll.
Oh, what the what? What?
Guys, she gone.
I'm not eating that or cooking that. That's a frog. Is it gonna jump? Oh my god. It's a snake and frog? You are nuts. Why would you?
Guys, listen. So we're not gonna cook this?
No way. I don't even. Why would you do that to me? Don't open it. Guys, oh my god.
Guys, we'll soon come back because it don't even seem like. But it's not that.
We are not cooking that. Where's the steak and the chicken? No! Leave it go!
Guys,
it has eyes.
We soon come back. Right now, she's having a moment right now because she decided this is not what we're gonna cook.
We are not. What?
Guys,
this is a joke. It has to be a joke.
I'm gonna let them kill it and bring it back, and we can cook it. Is that okay?
It's for real? We're really cooking this? Okay, fine. I don't know. It's my first time eating frog and snake. That's a snake, right?
Yeah.
What kind? We're eating this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Guys, we'll soon come back and keep it locked. As a matter of fact, go and check out one of these models. and all the stuff that this young lady has been up to. We'll soon come back. Keep it
Yes.
locked.
Oh my.
And we're going to cook this. All right, guys. So now we're back. I am so sorry I had to do that to you. You were having so much fun. You were just waiting to cook that frog.
Oh, I had an anxiety attack. I'm glad you thought that was fun.
But you never had frog before?
Never had frog. I never had snake. I think the only thing I've had like that's exotic is duck.
Duck. Oh, wow. That's so nice. You know, but in some countries, it's so funny because here in America, people, they don't want to eat certain things. And that frog came from Chinatown. And when I went to pick it up, it's like regular people just come and buy, just like you buy a chicken. They cut it, they clean it, they bag it up, put the tag on it, and it's ready to go home and cook.
I want to see someone eating that. I don't want to eat it myself, but I would like to see someone like indulge in a frog.
It's the same. So be careful when you go out, especially if you go to Mexico. Don't order spring chicken. Spring chicken is frogs. See? So you had frog.
If I ordered spring chicken, I hope not. I don't remember, but
I don't know where the word chicken came from with frog.
Because of the feet, the legs. If you look at the legs, they kind of look like chicken wings. Frog legs kind of look like chicken wings.
Guys, listen, it's so funny. And thank you so much for being here. And I want to find out a little bit more because I see that you've been doing so much actress, model. Where did you get started? Where did you get started saying this is what I want to do?
So I started back in like 2011. I was a redhead, so I used to go by Kathy Red. Those were my modeling days. So after I had my kids, I was like, damn, I feel like I'm missing something. Like I want to pursue my passion. I always love being in front of the camera.
Nice.
So I started modeling, connecting with people. That's how I kind of started. And then I transitioned into acting maybe like 3-4 years ago. I started taking acting classes. Wow. And I was hosting a radio show and a podcast. And and it just kind of...
domino effect down
it was
from
like a
one thing to
domino
another.
effect. Meeting so many dope people in the industry and letting them know what I'm doing and people wanting to help. Like, it's pretty dope. Yeah.
Nice, nice. And you also been in some music videos.
I've been in a lot of music videos. The most recent one, rest in peace to my friend Raja. He passed away recently. I did a music video with him called Island Girl.
Oh, wow.
With Tory Lanez, and that was a really dope video. And actually, I did that, I want to say, a year ago, and he was like, Kathy, please be in my video. And I don't do videos anymore.
Oh, nice.
But I was like, I'm going to do this one. You know, he was like, I'm going to make sure you look classy. So I did it. Shout out to Raja. He's in heaven now.
That's what I'm talking about. Rest in peace. She's here holding it down, and you did a great job. But when you're home, you like to make salmon?
I love salmon.
You love salmon?
Yeah.
So we're going to do a jerk barbecue salmon with a nice little bit of Jack Daniels inside. Suck it out. Guys, look at this. The salmon looking nice. So what we're going to do, I already sprinkled some Old season, some Cajun season. You're going to sprinkle some garlic powder, salt, paprika, and paprika.
So I just...
And then, just do your thing like you're home cooking. Nice. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So when you talk about, because I see on your social media, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and you're good. Then we're going to put a little bit of oil over it, and you're going to do your massage things. Rub it in. Nice. And I see on your social media, you're always so interactive in everything that you do. You're modeling, you're always posting.
Yeah.
And what kind of inspiration would you give to other young teenagers that are coming up who want to model or want to get into, because like you say, you love the camera. Not everyone is like that. They're shy, but they have the passion for it.
So, I mean, if you have the passion for it, I'm very big on pursuing what you're passionate about.
Yes.
Because it just makes your life so much easier. You're going to go to work doing what you love and what you're passionate about. You're never going to be upset. And if you are shy and you're trying to break into the industry, get out of the shyness. Because it doesn't work. You cannot be shy in this business. You have to be really tough. You have to have tough skin, and you can't. You got to be outgoing, because that's how people get to know who you are. Yeah. And if you're shy, it's gonna be hard to get your name out there.
Wow, most definitely. Yeah, most definitely. Because even with me, people will ask me. They're like, Patrick, as soon as the camera goes on, you're ready, and I'm like, because I never think about the camera.
Yeah.
I just be myself and think about what I'm doing and I'm passionate about. And everything will fall right into place. You don't even think,
yeah. And for me, what helped me become more outgoing. I mean, I've always been outgoing since I was a little girl, but I took a couple acting classes, and I had to dig a little deep and get to know who I was as a person, as a human, and be comfortable with who I am and be confident, because confidence is key in this industry too. You got to be very confident, and
Yeah, so. Once you have that, and I always say the same, love yourself, confident within yourself, and everything else will fall right into place. Don't worry about how other people see you. It's how you see yourself and what you want to do. So right now, this is looking real good, well marinated. So you're going to take it up, flip him over, and you're going to drop him in.
Flip it over?
Flip it over. Just give it a flip. Chef, I do our thing. Look at that.
You could tell I don't really cook at home, but I'm going to learn today.
All right, nice. So while this is there, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more season on it. As a matter of fact, let them go and check out one of the music video that you're in. Which one you want them to go and check out?
I want them to check out Raja featuring Tory Lanez, Island Girl. That's a really beautiful video. Check that one out. And plus, it's a Caribbean thing, baby.
It's a Caribbean thing going on.
It's a reggae song. Hey. So we're going to have fun with that one. And then when we come back, we'll check out another one.
Yeah, and then we're going to get a little bit of personal conversation.
Personal.
We're going to get a little personal. Because I heard she's been a real bad girl. So we're going to get into that. She's like, I do that easy. So come back, guys. Cooking with Love. Crazy. Nice.
Oh. Raja. Tory Lanez. Baby, come my way now. No time, no waste. My heart been through the rain now. But you'll find a place soon. Slow wine. Baby, where was you this whole time? Slow grind. Call me and I'll pick you up in no time. One condition, if you down, baby, don't go missing on me. Respect my wishes. If you down, then I won't go missing on you. I linger.
Don't need four, not three, not two, just one.
I linger.
You smoke trees and the only sit wrong cause you.
I linger.
Don't need four, not three, not two, just one.
I linger.
You smoke trees and the only sit wrong.
Go slow for me, baby. Rock it down so low that it's like a limbo for me, baby. And the sin in my system got me on go for you, baby. All the fuck back shot, two things you all for me, baby. You know I do. All the vibes sip liquor like you. You know I do. Still I feel with you. I've been girl.
Guys, look at that.
I
The
did
chef adore thing, you know. She flip of the wrist. It's a flip of the wrist.
Oh, the flick of the salmon.
That's what I'm talking about. Guys, listen, it's such a pleasure having you here, and your salmon looking real good, enough.
Really nice and toast. I
Yeah.
like it like that.
But you know what? I remember a while ago we was talking. Are you single?
I am single.
Guys, listen. She says she's single. Miss Man, because I know there's some guy out there who like you and be like, wait, I thought me and her was dating. How come she talking about she's single? She said you need to step up to the game until
Step
you
your
put
game
you
up.
put a ring on it.
Yeah, I need a ring. I posted this on the gram the other day. I said, it's very difficult to keep my attention. Like, I'm very spoiled. My mother spoils me. My ex-boyfriends that I dated used to spoil me.
Oh my
So,
God.
like, I have a short attention span. If someone's not spoiling me, it sucks. I know. But I'm
Yeah.
working on that. I'm trying to bring something to the table like food.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so I am single. But I was in a relationship for a very long time. You know, I have
Yeah.
2 kids. I have 2 boys.
Oh, nice.
I have a 17-year-old and a 12-year-old. So I did the whole marriage life thing.
Okay.
And then at 26, 27, I was single, and I've been mingling ever since.
Your singlet has been mingling.
Yeah.
But what kind of guy are you looking for that you consider would be a perfect match for you? Away from he's gonna have to spoil you.
Yeah,
Which
yeah.
the only thing I can spoil you with right now is
Is
food
food.
and cooking.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is good enough. I
Yeah.
love food. No, but listen, so for me, I like consistency. Like, the way you are in the beginning, stay that way.
Stay
Don't
that way.
change. Honesty, obviously, everybody wants an honest human being. Like,
Yeah.
I think in every relationship, whether it's a friendship or a boyfriend, wow, this is looking really good. You gotta know how to cook, too.
You gotta know the cook. So
Number 1 quality.
I'm already one up then if so be the
Yes.
case, because I know the cook. So right here I see you have some Jack Daniels right here. You wanna tip a little bit onto it?
This is actually my favorite part of cooking. Okay.
Look at it.
Just
Look at
pour
it right. Yeah,
on,
this
on the
yeah.
salmon or
Yeah,
around?
just pour it all around. Make it look nice. Beautiful. Looking real good.
Can I take a shot now?
Guys, yeah. So as we were saying, no, the guys that you're looking for, they gotta be honest, because honesty is the key to everything.
Yeah, you know, honesty gets you a long way. You know, like if you want to be a guy who has multiple girlfriends and you want to date, say that in the beginning. Don't
Yeah.
say, "Oh, I want to be with just you," and then like weeks later you're hanging out with Sarah, Joanna, Kimberly, and Martha. I don't know who those
Sure.
girls are, but
Joanna, for real, Joanna, why you gotta do me like that, Joanna? For real, why you gotta do me like that, Joanna? That's
yeah.
nice.
So yeah, honesty, consistency,
Nice.
2 things.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. This is looking real good
This is
enough.
looking amazing.
You could that. You did that.
Sure.
Yeah, man. Put it here. As a matter of fact, here's your spoon. Just kind of drizzle a little bit of sauce right
it.
over the top, over the salmon, so they
Like
see
that.
what's going on. Look at that. The chef doing her thing.
You
Guys,
can tell I can't cook. This is bad, but I'm doing the best I can. But
no, you're doing a great job.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, guys, go and check out on another one. You also do modeling too.
I do a
you-
lot of modeling.
So we're gonna go watch one of the modeling video and watch her strut the runway. Guys, keep it together. I'm gonna try right here. We're cooking with love, and then we're gonna flirt when we come back, and we're gonna
flirt some more. I got an
We're gonna
idea.
flirt some more.
Show them my little modeling recap video.
Yeah. Guys, go watch your recap video. Go on and come. Me and her go talk offset. Soon come back. All right, guys, so now we're back. And you see this looks real good. You just watched those videos and you see this young lady has been super busy, super beautiful. Look at that. Guys, look at this. Do you think we make a wonderful couple? Look at that. You see that, guys?
You're the cook,
Yeah.
I'm the cleaner.
That's what, no, you clean up after, but then,
We all know you're the cook in
Yeah.
this relationship.
guys,
But I'm
this
very-
is, just to let you guys know, I'm off the market. Taken,
So-
it's over, it's done. I'm a great cook. She's beautiful. We're gonna have great kids and we're gonna have a whole bunch of great fun.
Oh, great. I just swindled myself into
And she just
another
swindled-
marriage.
Guys, but you know what? The great thing about it, your mom is gonna say like, well, she will never go hungry because she married a cook.
She will say that.
That's super great. But you know what? On a relationship aspect, because I know away from we talk about how to be honest within a relationship, what are some of the things that you think female can do to spice up the relationship? Give them some hint.
So, okay, yeah. So, I mean, it just depends on the dynamic of the relationship. I feel like if you're with someone, you guys are always working and you guys just never get to like have fun, take one day out of the week,
Yeah.
spice things up. Women, I highly suggest lingerie. Like, I own a ton of lingerie. Men love
Wow.
it. They do.
Thank you
love
for
it.
telling me.
Yeah, lingerie is definitely something you should have on deck. And then as far as like spice things up, I don't really know. Like, everybody's different. Like, some people do, you
Yeah.
know, they like to add people into the relationship. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't add a third person into my relationship to spice things up.
Yeah.
I don't suggest it.
So
But
Joanna not coming over. We're not gonna
Joanna
bring
cannot come over, no.
no.
But yeah, like lingerie, you know, if you want to surprise, men like surprises too.
Yes.
You know, it's not just us that want to be surprised, and you know, every now and then surprise your man with something, a cute little gift, maybe a dinner.
Yeah. Or you can send him a nice picture too. You never know.
Oh yeah, I mean, listen, I don't do the pictures for some reason. I'm always like, oh God, I'm not sending any nudes. I don't want it to pop up anywhere. But that's a good way to get to a man's little.
Yeah, and at the same time, it's all about just, it can be a simple picture where you sitting at your desk if you're at the office, just to say, honey, I'm here, I'm thinking about you, you know, a nice little selfie, miss you, see you when you get home, can't wait till you get home.
Interactive, yeah, it's interactive.
Ah, look at that. So we're serving this with some veg, real simple, and now your salmon is looking real good.
I cannot wait
And
to eat this salmon.
you're gonna now take up your salmon and let me give you your tongue. Where is it? This one. Yep, you can use this one. You're gonna hold it nice and gently to the side like this. We're doing it together, guys. Look at the teamwork. Look at the teamwork.
I love it.
And now,
Do I put this on?
and now you're gonna do is your spoon, so you can get up the sauce. And now they're gonna see that you can cook, so they can't tell you nothing right now.
You can't
look at that.
tell me nothing. I know how to cook.
Right here,
Right.
cooking with love. Look at that. Let it drizzle. Ah, beautiful. Put a little bit more sauce on it. Let them see
I am
what's
putting
going
a
on.
lot more sauce.
Drizzle to the front. Let them see what's going. Guys, she put the sauce right over the veg. You see that?
Good, right?
That's good. Now the veg are flavor now. You just had flavor now to the veg. More flavor by
Is that
putting.
good?
It's a good thing.
I did
Well, you-
good.
you did a great job, guys. Chef is in the building. Wow, this is looking real
I
nice.
cannot wait to eat
I
this.
am so proud of you. That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you. Aw.
Cooking with love. Crazy. Guys, when we come back, she's gonna taste and she's gonna tell you what's going on right now. Soon come back. As a matter of fact, go watch one more of her video.
That sauce. Amazing.
Guys, she did it. She did it. Super funny. Love this girl. Cooking with love. Soon come back.
So the chef has left the building, which means I am the official chef now. And I had such a great time here cooking with love. And I'm gonna try this. I need to try this now, cause you know I'm not leaving here without trying my food. So good. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Catherine K. Nunez. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Love you guys. I'm out of here. I'm gonna eat this. I'm hungry. Love you. Bye.
You gotta teach me that one. Hey.
All right, next on
Hey.
to I always dance on cooties. You are watching Cooking with Love. Keep it locked.